Welcome back to Beadesign, where beads meet bold ideas, and today it's all about speed. We're doing the Bead Sketch Challenge, a set of fast, constraint-based prompts designed to loosen perfectionism and get your ideas moving. Your printable guide has lots of different challenges and we're going to work through those. Why does sketching work? You're going to set yourself a timer and draw anything in 10 seconds. I don't want it to be perfect. I want you to think about sketching quickly, drawing without polish and focusing on shape, texture and finish. Make sure you grab your printable guide. There's a link below to get your copy and grab it so you can work along with this video as we go through step by step. Here's your grid. There are 12 boxes and each one gets a quick idea. No pressure on any single box, no polishing, no looking back. Just idea, sketch and next. The goal isn't 12 finished designs, the goal is 12 moments of possibility, and a few of them will be nothing. Maybe one or two will be worth something and worth pursuing, and that's exactly the right ratio. Here's what fast sketching does. It bypasses the inner critic, and when you're moving quickly, you don't have time to judge what's coming out. You don't have time to erase and start over. You just respond and keep going. And that's where the interesting stuff lives, in the unedited, unpolished and quick response. Speed creates access to ideas that carefulness closes off. Our constraint cards on the 5-minute prompts ask you to fill in as many boxes as you can. Can you make it bigger? Make it smaller. Is it circles only, lines only? Flipping your shape or mirroring it, or removing one bead from your last sketch. Work through the constraints to see what your bead sketch looks like. And if you run out of prompts, repeat them and you'll get a different result every time. Once you've filled some boxes, or once your 5 minutes is up, pick one sketch that you're drawn to. It doesn't have to be the best one. Pick the most interesting one, the strangest one, the one that surprised you. Now make three quick variations of that sketch. Rotate it 90 degrees. Change the spacing between your elements or swap the darkest bead for the lightest. You're not trying to perfect it, you're trying to see what else it could become. Sketching fast is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier the more that you do it. The point of this challenge isn't to produce finished work. It's to build the habit of generating, of getting ideas out of your head and into the world quickly, without waiting for them to be polished and finished. Nothing in that grid needs to be perfect. Some of it will genuinely be bad, but somewhere in those 12 boxes or your variation boxes is probably an idea worth keeping. The printable guide is free and the link's below, and once you've done your grid, share your sketches with #BeadDesignChallenge. I genuinely want to see what 5 minutes of fast thinking looks like for you. See you next time. I'm Paula from On a String.